This video shows how a threat can be following you any place, anytime. This video was uploaded on the TikTok. The uploader was the mother named Jojo and her son Daniel. They are returning to their home late at night. They open the front door, and once they close the door behind them, a man can be seen in the frame walking up to the house. He immediately tries to open the door.
Go shower really fast. I need you to go shower. Please, Daniel. Who's that?
Merely seconds after Jojo locks the house, this man tries break into the house. When she looks outside, she sees this man and yells out for him to leave.
Who is that? Get out of here! Get out of here! There's a guy outside. Look.
Later on, she calls up the police, but the man had left the place. What if the house wasn't locked? What were his intentions? Nobody knows. This confusing footage was captured one night in August 2023 in somewhere in Ohio. In the footage, a masked man can be seen ringing the doorbell and then running away. Initially, the incident appeared to be a ding-dong ditching until you look closely at the footage. You will notice that the man never actually ran away. The man stood in the middle of the streets, continuously staring at the door, while the homeowner, after being woken up by the sound of the doorbell, made his way towards the door as soon as he noticed the figure, and he informed the cops. On July 15, 2022, a TikToker uploaded this chilling footage of an unexpected visit to her home while she was outside the city. A disturbing voice can be heard asking to let him in her house. The person repeats the words "let me in" as it scratches and knocks on the door. During the entire video, no person can be seen except the shadow. To this day, no conclusion has been made about the video, nor the TikToker has given any further updates about the videos. This footage was captured at 3 in the morning on April 9, 2023. It happened in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The homeowner was sleeping when it was recorded. Next morning, when he woke up and saw a notification on his phone that he found about it, he reviewed the footage and was horrified. This is what he saw. A woman can be seen trying different keys to get into the house and even looking for a hidden one. The homeowner said that he had never seen her before, and after this attempt, she even threw rocks at his car and tried those locks. Why was the woman trying to break the lock? What were her intentions? Nobody knows. This footage captured an unknown man walking up to the front door of this house. Right away, he leans to open it without even giving a knock. The homeowner gets alert by the doorbell camera's motion detector, but the homeowner still opens the door without asking any question. The homeowner opens the door to see what actually the man wants, and the man, without any hesitation, enters the house. Naturally, the homeowner saw this as a red flag and tells the man he needs to leave.
Hello. Hi. I'm Harry. Who are you? Everybody in the house, right? Good. You need to leave. How far? Out there. What's the street staircase? What? What's the staircase? Come on, where are you going? What's the staircase? Goodbye, you.
As the homeowner closes the door, the man forcefully punches the glass of the door, but the homeowner was still able to close and lock in. The man then stands before the door, trying the door handle, before the video ends. This footage was recorded during early hours of July 2019. It is not clearly visible that the house opposite to the woman with a camera has been completely set on fire. And because of how close the houses were, this made the house with the camera at the risk of also being set on fire. Shown in the footage, a man runs towards the house, trying to warn the homeowner about the threat.
Hey guys, yeah, their house is on fire.
I know, I'm knocking on the door, there's nobody answering. Can I help you?
The house next door to you is on fire! Your house is almost on fire!
Okay, thank you.
I've been telling you!
Can you help me?
Yeah, come on.
Can you help me?
Come on.
Let me help
Come on.
me.
Come on, baby.
Following this, they would get all the children out of the house as quick as possible. They were then brought to one of the neighbors' house across the streets, far away from the fire. Luckily, the house with the doorbell camera remained safe.